Okay, this is probably not going to be a long video, but I've been coding for quite a long time today. I've had 5,000 something XP. I don't know how long I've been coding, but I think the previous one I was at like chapter 2 of this. I'm now at chapter 8. Hasn't been terribly difficult, but well, I take that back. Some of the last questions in each one, I pretty much always had to ask the Boots little AI tutor thing here for a little bit of advice. And I was pretty much able to figure it out with a couple of hints, but still kind of felt bad. Like, I mean, I guess it is partly my fault. I went to school for 4 years and didn't really pay attention to any of my classes, especially on DSA. And yeah, I'm now facing the consequences of my decisions. Apparently I missed 2 quizzes in here. Oh, I think they just added these. I'll look at that later, but yeah, just kind of, one thing I've learned in life is that, quitting is like the absolute worst thing you could do in any situation. What exactly what I am not going to do with coding. I've quit coding to do other useless things multiple times in the past, and it never really works out for me. So yeah, I will continuously keep doing this until I reach success or I, lose it all. So yeah, I think just being persistent is the main thing. I don't think, the fact that I have to get hints or I look at closed solutions is going to change whether or not I'm a good engineer. I think what is actually going to define that is how long I decide to code and continue to desire to improve my skills. So yeah, it's the main mindset right now, but I'll do a couple lessons in this video and probably stop it. It's like 1 a.m. right now. And yeah, I should have posted this earlier, but I kind of got lost. Kind of forgot to record because I was coding. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for all the very supportable comments. It really does mean a lot. I've had a lot of people tell me to drop this degree in the past, and I'd be lying if I said that did not affect me a little bit. So having other people support me is really amazing. So thank you very much. Let's get into it. Just gonna check sound here real quick. Alright, sound looks good, so let's get back. Matchmaking queue, locked in users are founding companies. You can join the matchmaking queue to find potential co-founders for your projects. Key class, Q class we've built to manage the matchmaking process. So first in, first out. Notice the search and remove method on the Q class and Q.py. It breaks the rules of a traditional Q data structure and will be useful in solving this real problem. For item, not in self items, return none. Otherwise, remove item. So this just removes from any point in the queue. Yeah, I think that, yeah, it said it breaks rules, so interesting. It's okay to violate academic constraints as software engineers as long as we understand the trails involved. Fair, I agree with that. Complete the matchmaking function that simulates users joining and leaving the matchmaking queue. Function to take a queue instance, the user tuple containing a name and action, either join and leave. For each call to matchmake, if the action is a leave, search the queue for the user or move them if they are a queue. If the action is join, push the user's name onto the queue. Lastly, check the queue has at least 4 users in it. If so, pop the first 2 users from the queue and return the following string. Where user 1 is the first user popped, and user 2 is the second user popped. If there are less than 4 users in the queue, return the following string, no action. Okay. Oh, where's this? It's just a tuple. So I guess I have to do 0. 1. Okay, so if user according to 1 is equal to leave, wait, I'm not sure if tuples actually work like this. I have a feeling they don't actually. Oh, they do actually work like that. Okay. Search the queue for the user or remove them there in the queue. Well, we have an entire search remove function. So we can just call this move on user 0, because that's their name. To be honest with you, this is kind of not really readable. Username is equal to user 0. Action equal to user 1. I think it's more readable code. Someone's got to write a book on readable code versus clean code, because I feel like readable code is more important in my opinion. I see a lot in game development, but in web development, people seem to like to virtual signal and write clean code, which a lot of times just makes it hard to read. Yeah, interesting concept, but let's get back to work. Okay, if action to join, push the user's name onto the queue. I believe there is a queue. There's a push. Yeah, there's a push function. Well, username. I say check if the queue has at least 4 users in it. At size. It's greater than or equal to 4. It's called size. That's size right here. If so, pop the first 2 users. This is popping the head, so that should be the first 2. This will say user 1 equal to, because when we pop, we're going to have a variable returned. I don't think I need to call anything else, right? No. User 2 is equal to q dot pop. Then return the following string. User 1 matched user 2. There were less than 4 users in the queue. Return the following string. Q dot size less than, well, technically I don't have to do this. I can just say return no match found, because after this it should be at least 4 users. Hey, 6 passed, 2 failed, so we're getting somewhere. So when you add to a queue, it's first in, first out. Popping is removing the head, which is also the last element. Okay, what's wrong here? Oh, the exclamation point. Oh, the other ones didn't have the string, that's why. Yeah, it's slightly annoying, but we got it. Okay, there we go. Oh, link list. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I know it's a pretty short video, but I'm not gonna do link lists on this. I'm probably not gonna do link lists tonight. If I do, that'd be crazy. I still have to post a video, edit and stuff, but yeah, that's the current status of things. I'm working through it. Receiving a bit of help and hints, which at times I have a little bit of imposter syndrome, but I think it's normal. Things that I just got to deal with and keep pushing through with. But thank you guys for watching. Wait, let me look at the solution. Yeah, it's effectively the same thing. Yeah, post hopefully earlier tomorrow. But see you guys tomorrow.